Section 1. Bill of Materials. The following materials will be used in this video. Section 2. Tool list. The tools used in this video are no 3 hexagonal wrench, no 2.5 hexagonal wrench, small Phillips screwdriver, Liveport wrench. Section 3. Material assembly. The first step of the front outer cover edge strip. Assembly of front interface panel assembly and avionics system. First, we will install cipher shroud quick release male buckles to the front base plate. Note that 4 M314 socket head cap screws are used here to fix. Secondly, we install the 6 shock absorbing pads on the front base plate. After that, we put the front cover edge strip in the direction of foolproofing, installed on the front base plate. Fasten with 3 M310 screws. Next, install the avionics system. Next, install the avionics system on the front base plate in the anti-damage direction. Note that 4 M412 socket head cap screws are used here. Finally, install the CAN bus, PWM connection cable, Avionics 5-in-1 harness according to the color and foolproofing direction. Plug into the corresponding socket. Here we will put 6 5/16 plus M48 plug screws on the base plate vibration dampening rubber pad. Be careful not to forget to add shims. Step 2. Installation of the rear interface panel assembly. First of all, install the 4 shield quick release male buckles to the rear interface plate housing. Use 4 M314 hexagon socket screws to fix. Note that the motor torque should not be too large here. At one time, we will put 6 bottom plate shock absorbing rubber pads, according to the direction of foolproofing, installed to the designated position. After that, we install the 2 tail plate vibration damping pads, installed to the rear interface plate shell. Finally, we put 8 M516 plus M48 plug screws on the vibration dampening pads. Step 3. Assembly of spiral antenna assembly. First, the forearm spiral antenna and RTK antenna bracket according to the snap position. Assemble them together. Note that there is a limited slot here. Then put the forearm spiral antenna pad on the forearm spiral antenna. Similarly, we will also assemble the other one. Step 4. We put the water pipe, 12 to 8 quick release coupling and L-type pagoda, quick release coupling assembled together. Firstly, we put the L-type pagoda quick release connector and L-type pagoda connector nut together. After that, as shown in the video, put the water pipe through the M15 nut with the L-type pagoda quick release coupling. The other end is fixed with the 12 to 8 quick release coupling. Similarly, we will fix the other one as well. Step 5. Wire harness arrangement. First, as shown in the video, snap the wire harness at the front cross member into the corresponding slot. As shown in the video, snap the limit at the rear cross member into the corresponding slot. Step 6. Installation of water pipes. First, stand up the aircraft with the tail facing upwards. Fix the No. 3-arm water pipe with 12 to 8 quick release coupling. After that, as shown in the video, snap the water pipe into the corresponding slot. Similarly, fix the other water pipe. Step 7. Assembly of the avionics system and the spiral antenna assembly. First, connect the power adapter cable to the power connection of the arm. Note, Here the 4 wires should be placed on the outside of the front beam. Next, according to the wire harness and interface name and interface color, one by one, according to the direction of the dummy-proof plug into the corresponding interface. These 4 holes are spare interfaces. The 2 harnesses are placed according to the location shown in the video. After that, fix the screws on the front plate one by one. Step by installation of spiral antenna assembly. First, we put the antenna bracket according to the anti-deactivation direction, snap into the fixed position. Then we fix it with 3M 20 hexagonal screws. Similarly, we fix the other antenna as well. Next, we dock the antennas one by one as shown in the video. Note that the antenna is stuck into the fixed position. Step 9. Installation of rear interface board assembly. First, we follow the names of the ports and harnesses, and the color difference. The rear cross-member harnesses are inserted. Insert one by one into the rear interface plate. Note that these 2 ports are reserved holes. After that, fix the screws on the interface board assembly one by one. Section 4. Assembly Points Review.